Welcome to Practice English Conversations. Are you ready to practice your English and become more fluent? Let's get started.
Good morning. Welcome to our store. How can I help you today?
Hi, good morning. I'm looking for a new jacket. Could you tell me about your selection?
Of course, Brian. We have several types of jackets here. Are you looking for something warm for winter or a light jacket for spring?
I need a warm jacket for winter. I want something that is both stylish and comfortable.
Great. We have a few options in our winter collection. This one here is a puffer jacket made with high-quality polyester and down filling. It is very warm and lightweight.
That looks nice. How much is it?
This jacket is priced at $120. We also have a similar model that is $100. Would you like to compare them?
Yes, please. What is the difference between the two?
The more expensive jacket has a waterproof outer layer and additional insulation. The $100 jacket is also warm but is not fully waterproof. Both have a comfortable lining and are available in several colors.
I see. I sometimes worry about the quality. Are these jackets durable?
Yes, they are. Both jackets are made by a well-known brand and come with a 1-year warranty for any manufacturing defects. They are designed to last through several winters if you take good care of them.
That's reassuring. I also like the design. The one with waterproof fabric seems more practical, especially in rainy weather. Do you have it in blue?
Yes, we have it in blue, black, and gray. The blue one is very popular this season.
Great. Can I try the blue one on?
Certainly. The fitting room is right over there. Let me know if you need any help.
Hi, Caroline. I tried on the jacket, and it fits very well. It feels warm and comfortable. What do you think about its care instructions?
It is very easy to care for. You can machine wash it on a gentle cycle and tumble dry on low heat. The waterproof coating will remain effective as long as you follow the care instructions.
That's good to know. I want a jacket that I can use for several years without too much maintenance.
This jacket is an excellent choice for that. Many customers choose it because of its durability and low maintenance.
Do you offer any discounts or promotions on these jackets?
Yes, we do. Today, we have a special offer. If you buy this jacket, you get 20% off on any accessory like a scarf or gloves. Would you be interested in checking those out?
That sounds interesting. I might look at some accessories, especially since I need a good scarf for winter.
Right this way, please. Over here, we have scarves made from soft wool. They come in many colors and are very warm.
This red scarf is very pretty. How much is it?
The red scarf is $25. With the 20% discount, it will cost you only $20 if you buy it with the jacket.
That's a good deal. I like the color, and it will go well with the jacket.
I'm glad you like it. Would you like to try it on or see more options?
I think I like this one. It looks nice and seems to be of good quality. What about the gloves? Do you have any that match?
Yes, we have a pair of black leather gloves. They are very soft and warm. They cost $30, but with our offer, they will be $24 when bought with the jacket and scarf.
That sounds perfect. I like to have a complete set in winter.
Excellent. So, if I understand correctly, you would like to purchase the blue waterproof jacket, the red scarf, and the black gloves.
Yes, that's right. I think that will make a great set for the winter.
Wonderful choice, Brian. Let me ring these up for you. The jacket is $120. The scarf is $25. Now $20 after discount. And the gloves are $30, now $24 after discount. That makes the total $120 plus $20 plus $24 equals $164.
That's a reasonable price for a good quality winter set. Do you accept credit cards?
Yes, we accept all major credit cards and mobile payments. How would you like to pay?
I'll pay with my credit card, please.
Sure. Please insert your card into the machine. Thank you. Your payment is complete. Here is your receipt, and your new winter set is in this bag.
Thank you so much, Caroline. I really appreciate your help today. You made the shopping experience very easy and pleasant.
You're very welcome, Brian. I'm happy to help. If you have any questions or need further assistance in the future, please feel free to ask.
I will, thank you. I'm excited to wear my new jacket and accessories. I believe they will keep me warm this winter.
I'm sure they will. Enjoy your new set and have a great day.
Thanks, Caroline. Have a great day as well.
Goodbye, Brian.
Goodbye, Caroline.
Great job practicing with us today. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss our next English conversation. See you in the next video. Keep practicing and stay confident.